how are you all? So, welcome back to JSS Collections. Today I have come back with the beautiful color collection of cut pieces, and they are also available for affordable prices. So, let's get started. So, the first one is this beautiful dotted black cloth. It has circular shaped dots and also all it is like polka dots in a circular form, and it has all over print is like this, and behind it is this way. So in this you can happily make a kurti. So front side you can keep this. So look at this print, have a close look. It is like a fingerprint. Okay, so you can make a kurti with this. You can keep this side in front side, and you can make this a back side. Okay, so it costs you 50 rupees. And the next is this one. This is a jute cloth. All of you are very aware that nowadays jute cloth is in trend. So it is a small piece. It may be around 1 meter or 1.2 meters. So the thing is, it is only suitable for, you can make it yoke part of kurtis, and it is very much suitable for blouses, sari blouses, because if you have any plain sari in this shades, you can make this as a blouse. And also it has two sides border. If you are stitching blouse, you can keep this for sleeves, and it costs 50 rupees. And the next is this plain cut piece. So look at this nice cool color. It is light color. It is light pista shade. So you can happily stitch kurti or frocks for small children, and you can make lehengas, and you can place a border at the bottom, and you can stitch a skirt for small children, small kids also. And it is really very soft, and it will be suitable for kids. And you can also make kurtis, and it costs you 80 rupees. So the next is this one. It is of sky blue color with black print. It has very delicate flower motifs all around. Okay, the correct shade is, you can see, I will show you the correct shade. See, this is the correct shade. In video it will be seen a little bit darker, but it is light sky blue with black print on the borders. Both sides it has black print like this, and here also it has. So you can easily stitch frocks, and you can easily make a kurti in this. It's a big piece, so it will cost you 120. Next is in this with the same print, but the color is different. It is Sri Rama blue color. We say generally it is called as Rama green, but see, this is the correct shade. Okay, so it is also has the same floral motifs, delicate floral motifs, and black print on the both sides. So you can keep it as border, or you can keep this cloth as sleeves. So you can happily make lehengas, frocks for kids, and for elders you can make a kurti in this. and it costs you the same price, 120. And the next is, it's a jute cloth with diamond shaped border and diamond shaped motifs all around. So you can see the print here, and all over the print is like this, and on both the sides you have the same border. So you can happily stitch blouses and frocks for small kids in this, and it costs you 50 rupees. And see, look at this, it's a full of brasso. See, you can see this print, you can have a closer look. And one more thing, it has the floral border on one side. See, the piece is like this, border is floral border, and all over it has brasso print with, on the black cloth it's a red weaving like print. On this it's a brasso cloth. You can see on the other side also the same thing. See this one, you can have a closer look. So you can stitch. Nowadays brasso and organs are in trend, so you can make a blouse piece in this. It is suitable for blouse or frocks for small kids, and it costs you 50 rupees. So the next is this one. This is rust color and red combination. It has a small print like this and border on the both sides. See, this is the border on the both sides. Such a beautiful cloth, and it is a shiny cloth. You can happily make a kurti in this, and it costs you 80 rupees. So thank you for watching, and whatever the pieces you like, please take screenshot and send to the mentioned number, and DM me on Instagram, JSS_collections123. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.